Hello guys, so the internet connection and the mobile signal in my area is very weak. So after a lot of researches, I came across a device that can actually boost the speed of the internet connection as well as the mobile signal. So this device is called Mobile Signal Booster. So how this device works is that it attracts signals from nearby cell towers and amplifies by the host for you to get good internet connection as well as good mobile signal reception in your area. So let's look at how it works. So this device comes in two folds. We have one which contains the external antenna, the coaxial cable, and the hook antenna. And the next one contains the host. So the box contains a 13-meter coaxial cable, an external mounting antenna, a 12 decibel external antenna, and also an indoor antenna. Then PVC tape. This is also the repeater. So the repeater comes with an AC adapter, AC to DC adapter, and this is actually the host which amplifies the signal.
So this is a 12 decibel directional antenna. We have directional antenna and omnidirectional antenna. So this one is the directional antenna. The directional antenna must be pointed to the nearby cell tower. And this one is also the coaxial cable, the one which connects from the external antenna to the host inside the room. So this cable serves as a vessel through which the mobile signal passes through from the external antenna to the host inside the room for the host to amplify it. So you have to connect the external antenna to the coaxial cable. So when you install the external antenna outside, so when installing, you must make sure that you install it horizontally, not vertically. So you install it horizontally, then you point it towards the nearby cell tower. So by pointing it to the nearby cell tower, the external antenna will attract the mobile signal from the nearby cell tower. So after connecting the external antenna to the coaxial cable, you apply PVC tape or any tape to it to make sure that there are no losses during the transmission. So I got a long bamboo pole on which the external antenna was hung on.